All right, this is going to be a fun one. This is the Hawaii 5-0 theme by The Ventures. So we got this cool melody. So our first thing is 5-5 on the big one, and then 3-3 going down those two strings. 5 on the G, 5 on the D, and then so 5-5-3 lower 3 big 5. Then the first part again with a different note at the end. 5 to little 3, and then 6-6-3-3 little 3. That was 6-6-3 on the B string, 3 on the G, 3 on the E. So once again, this first part we got. Okay, then we're gonna have this 6 on the bottom. So we have 6, and then 3, and then 6-4 on the next string, 5 on the next one, so it's, and then we're going big string, 5-3-1. We got to jump up to the C up here because we don't have that low of a note. That's the only note that would have kind of fallen off the end of this instrument. So we got, and then we jump to the 8 and 5. So that's 8, 5, 8, 6 on the next one, 7, 5, 8, 6, 8. So it sounds like. Okay, so that's kind of a tricky one. Getting that 8, 6, 8 up there. So that ended with 5, 7, 5, and the 8 on the second string, and then 6, 6, 7, 8. 5. So that was 5, 8, 6, 6, 7, 8, 5. And then that ends with 5, 5, 6. So 5's on the G, 6 on the D. Now we're in a new key. We're going to start on the 6th fret. So it starts just like the other one, but it's up a fret. So 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, and then 6, 6, 4, 4, 6. This one will go up to the little 4. 7, 7, 4, 4, 4. So it's all just like the other one, but it's just an upper fret. Now this one's a little different. We're going to go. So those are all in a row. You got 7, 5, 4 twice, then 6 on the G, 4, and then 6 to 6. Now this one we're going to jump to the 9. So that's 9 and 7. 10, 8 on the next one. 9, 7, 6. So that's. You got that 7, 6 to big 7. 6 to 8. 6 to 9. 6 to 9 here on G to B strings. And then 7, 7, 8, 9, 6. That ends with a bump on the 7. So let's look at all this one again from that 9, 7, 10, 8. We got. And of course, check out the tab. All this is written out on the tab. Okay, so let's look at everything we have so far. How about we try to play along with this? I'm gonna give you a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 count, and then we'll start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we're starting on the 7th fret. So each time it modulates up a half step. And all this is the same. This one's gonna go. So we wait a little bit longer to do the 3-note phrase after this first one. Those are like the and 4 and, the end of the measure. And then we got a 7 5 7 7. So this one's gonna go 10 to 8. So it's 10 to 8 and then 11 9 8. 10 7 9. 7 to 10. 7 10 this way. 8 8 9 10 7. So that one's a little bit tricky. Let's go from those 7s again. We got. Then we got da 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 doo dee doo da. And then we have, so that was 8 8 9 8 8 10. Then we have a chord here, 8 7 6 8, and then we have a C chord into a D minor chord. So that was your top 3s into the 7 7 6 5. Hold that. Then we're gonna hit that one again, and then we're heading to our outro. We got. Okay, so that's our ending. We're gonna have 0 0 3 on the big one, 4 to 2 on the G, and then 2 2 5 5 3 down on the B. So it's 3 3 6 5 3, and then the beginning riff, and then starting on that note, 5 5 4 3 6 on the second string, and then 6 3 4 8 6, and we have one of those kind of staccato hits, and then you got a C chord, 10 9 8 8, so it's like up to a D chord, 12 11 10 10, and then we end with a. Okay, so I'm going to do the whole thing. We got. All right, Hawaii 5-0. That was The Ventures. Hope y'all dig it. Check out the tab on this one, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.